this lesson, I want to show you how to add a Smart Tab. So let's click on the Smart Tab element. And once you do that, how you activate the tab, you notice that you see the tab 1 right here. This is a really great way to utilize tabs on your website. And you can add as many as you need to. So let's just add another one. You can also add or you can clone it. So let's go back to this one here, and you can put whatever information that you want to put on this specific tab. So we can have start, and you can put here start now, whatever you want to put there. And then you can go to the icon. You can put an icon, you can put an image. So you click on the add image, and then you get this. So you can search for any icon that you want to. You can load more. But for now, I'm just going to use this Xbox icon. So you notice it's right up there. And let's say you're done with that tab. Let's go to tab 2. And you can put start 2. And then you put whatever you want to put there. And you can also choose to link to a URL if you have one, or you can click to add an image. You just put that there and you have that on there. So now I'm going to just clone these here. So I clone that and I clone it. And now you see there, I have the clones for those. And you go to options, you can do like that, vertical like that, or you can just leave it horizontal. You can put the alignment wherever you want it to be. And you can go over to style, go to the tab. If you wanted to put the margins, you can do that. You can also, if you want to put the margins so everything is all around the same. So I'm going to click to activate this link here. So if I put whatever number I put here, it's going to be all around. So if I deactivate it, then I can independently change each one. And the same thing too for the margin, whatever number you put there, it automatically just do that all the way around. And you can change here the active background and the active border. So you scroll down here, you go to the icon. You can change the icon's color, the hover color. So you know you changed that. Let's change it again. If you hover your mouse over it, changes. And the active color, you can change that. And you go over to the title. You can change this just here for the color. So you can play around with these here. And then you have the subtitles. And you can also change these as well. So you have a lot of options with these here for the tabs. You scroll down, you can come in, change whatever you want to change. And it comes out, you know, very, very beautifully. Scroll here, the title, take your time to make it be exactly how you want it to be.